Barkada. I'm Marie.
And I'm Joy. Guys, we miss you. Sana na-miss nyo rin kami. And anyway, for today's recipe, ang share naman namin sa inyo ay napakasarap syempre at napakadaling lutuin. Kung mahilig kayo sa seafood, this is it, guys.
Yes, and ang lulutuin namin today is salted shrimp with salted egg.
Yes!
Shrimp with salted egg! Yan ang gusto kong sabihin. Kasi ako favorite ko rin yung salted egg, tapos gusto mo rin ng shrimp. So naisip namin, combine natin. At saka, syempre may twist kami. This is our version of the shrimp with salted egg.
Yes. So what's up, guys? And these are the ingredients. Alright guys, so papakita namin sa inyo paano namin lutuin ang ating shrimp with salted eggs. So una, preheat namin yung pan. Then we'll add
the butter.
Yeah. This, by the way, this is unsalted butter. So let's just put it on low heat. So pwede na natin lagay yung garlic natin. So I'm adding the garlic.
1 head of the garlic.
Whole garlic, yes. Fresh garlic. Alright, so we will add our chili flakes. Pwede rin kayo mag-add ng fresh chili. Pepper. So, guys, sineparate namin yung egg yolk at saka yung white niya. Itong egg yolk, ito yung a-add natin ngayon. So, I kinda like mash it. Ang egg yolk. So, we'll add this here right now.
So, anong purpose ng pag-separate?
So, parang thickening lang din. Pang thickening. Pero, ito yun yung parang etong white we'll just use as parang half nito we'll use as a garnish. So, andun yung alat. But,
wow.
Kailangan natin i-mash yan then talagang mag-incorporate yung butter tsaka yung egg yolk. Okay, at this point we will just add a little bit of sugar, white sugar to balance the saltiness at saka ng sweetness. So there you go. So, para lang siya mag-balance ng matamis at alat. Saka ang anghang na rin. Add na yung shrimp. Yeah. Be careful.
Yeah.
Ayaw natin yung sa may tubig. Siguraan mo na yun.
Okay.
Clean hands kasi ayoko na may tubig.
Hawakan mo na.
So, bali, dinevein namin. Tinanggal namin yung hiniwa sa gitna and we devein the shrimp para malinis talaga. Okay. So, Marie, we'll use our wooden spoon para madali natin siyang pang-mix. At this point, hayaan natin siyang maluto muna. And then, we will add ang coconut milk. So, Marie, yung iba kasi, evaporated milk yung gamit nila.
Na-try mo na rin yun eh.
Oo,
diba?
na-try ko na rin yun. Pero ito, na-try namin with coconut milk. Tsaka, look guys, dairy-free. So, you know, kung may problema kayo sa lactose like me, this is a good one, coconut milk, dairy-free. So, at saka unsweetened siya. So, we'll try this to use in this one. Alright, so, at yun na yung coconut milk natin. Lalagay natin to para sabay-sabay siyang maluto. So, hindi natin siya lalahat. Siguro mga 1/4 of this can.
Tingnan natin.
Tingnan natin. And we can always add more naman.
Kung kailangan.
So, hahayaan natin kumuluto. We can always add a little bit more of the milk.
Coconut milk.
Coconut milk. Para syempre may konting sabaw-sabaw siya. So basically, I use half of this coconut milk. Kalahati nung lata. Ito na. And then at this point, we can add yung pepper natin.
Black pepper.
Black pepper. Not too much. Para lang
1/2 teaspoon lang yun.
half teaspoon, yes. Pero pwede nyo namang i-adjust. Gusto nyo nang malito, pero maanghang pa ng konti. So just like that. And hayaan natin siyang kumulo ng mga 5 minutes. Siguro. So,
Cover.
Yes.
And wait.
Alright, so let's check it out after 5 minutes, guys. Wow!
Pink
Look at
na
that.
sila.
Pink na sila. And then we'll add this.
At mabango.
Ang ating, this is onions, spring onions siya. So you can mix it, Miss Marie.
Oh, mix. Where's my mix? Here.
Okay. Mix mo siya. So habang mix mo, lalagay natin yung kalahati nitong puti.
White egg.
So mix natin. And then the rest will be garnish natin.
Okay.
So
Is this
ready na
ready
siya.
na?
Oo.
Okay.
Pang ano rin natin to, lalagay natin ng konti. Hindi to, ano to sweet pepper to. So hindi siya maanghang. So this is optional. And then that's it. You just mix it a little bit more and it's ready to serve. Yung thick ng sauce, nakita mo ba how thick is the sauce? Kailangan talaga na yung milk natin,
Naluto.
kailangan malutong maayos.
Wow!
Dreams